guys, Tim here. Welcome back to another Tim video, and today we're at the airport. We just got our stuff, and we got our luggage and all that good stuff. Right now we're just going up some escalators. And yeah, we're just in the airport. We're gonna get some food just to get a little update going. Yeah, so there's Cam.
Hey,
there's Lexi.
he's sponsored by Doritos still.
No, I'm not. We're not sponsored by Doritos.
And then gotta go here first.
And then that's my awesome grandma again. So yeah, guys. So we're at the stores and stuff. There are the flights. There are all the flights. There's a lot. Lexi wants to go into a store. Let's go. Yeah, we just got off the train. Stuff. Yeah, see you guys all next time. Have a good day.